So hi all mga susmars, welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video and content, another day, another unboxing na naman tayo ng isang Android phone. So we have here the Nubia Music Pro. So we purchased this one online, and if by any chance you want to purchase this Android phone, just click the yellow basket somewhere here sa video natin or sa description box. So this is just a quick unboxing. So meron siyang AI Melody Light, touch to share, 600% volume. Feel ko malakas nga since Music Pro siya, and 2.1 channel stereo. So the one that we have is, what color is this? Hold on. Pop Art. And this is 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of ROM. Tingnan nyo yung box niya mga sis-Mars. Parang naaalala ko dito is yung movie na si Mama Coco. Ayan. So yung parang naaalala ko dito since may guitar tayo dito. And then let's open this one up and check the inclusion and ano ba ang nilalaman nitong ating unit. So later on na natin i-check ang itsura ng ating unit. Let's proceed first checking the inclusion. Okay. So sa loob, we have here the manual or quick start guide. Okay, we also have warranty card. And then we have here case, of course. This one is a silicone case. Okay. Silicone case ito, and this is just a clear jelly case. And then we also have pin ejector, ayan, charging brick, ZTE or ZTE charging brick, and then we have Type-C charging cord. So ang cute naman ito. Type-C charging cord, naka-plastic. So, let's put this one back. And then, let's proceed na checking yung unit. And also, naintriga ako sa kanyang design kasi nakita ko na yung case niya. And naintriga ako sa design niya, especially the camera module. Okay, so sa right corner, we have the power button and also volume rocker up and down. Bottom part, we have speaker, microphone, earphone jack, and Type-C charging cord. Sa left side, we have here SIM tray, and sa upper corner, we have another microphone. So, as you can see, ayan, notch yung kanyang display. Okay. So, check na natin yung design nito mga sis-Mars in 3, 2, 1, and... Ooh! Ooh. Okay. So, we have two lens. And then, ang cute naman ng speaker na to. Parang parang DJ. Ayan. So, parang kang DJ dito. I think this one is speaker. Yeah, I think this one is speaker. Tingnan nyo, sobrang vibrant and colorful ng kanyang design. And para siyang comics style. So, we have Nubia brand in here. Very cute, ha? Oh. So, this is a glossy finish. Okay. Alright. So, open na natin real quick. Ito, and then set up ko siya. Balikan ko kayo. So, ayan. Nakapag-set up na tayo, mga sis-Mars. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung gaano ba ka-smooth itong ating unit. Uy, smooth ha. So, settings tayo real quick. So, meron tayong music box dito. Okay. So, explore natin ito more, of course, ating full unboxing or ating full review, sorry. Okay. So, about the phone. So, Nubia Music Pro. Okay, 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage or ROM. So, this is CPU natin is T7200 octa-core max 1.6 GHz. Alright. So far, yun lang. Android 14 tayo. And then, check natin real quick yung ating camera. Okay. Okay, I see. So, yun lang ating quick unboxing with this Nubia Music Pro. Again, mga smarts, if you want to purchase this, just click the yellow basket down below.